Hi team, welcome to my session on Coffee with Prab. And the 2024 has started, and I'm sure you have seen multiple videos on YouTube. A lot of mentors you reach out to them and try to understand the different career options in cybersecurity. See, in this video I'm not going to give you any session about what you do or what you don't do and all that. But before we're going to start this, my name is Prab Nair and I have a 17 plus year of experience in cyber and information security. Currently I'm doing trainings. Training is something my passion, and consulting is basically my profession. In this video, I want to share some experience about the cybersecurity career. And this video is not about, okay, you should do this or you should do that. I used to receive a lot of DM actually on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook. Prab, I am a GRC guy, and sorry, I am an accountant. I want to move into cybersecurity. I'm a married. I have 18 plus years of experience in IT. I want to move to cybersecurity. Prab, I am into SOC, but I don't like SOC for the job. I want to move to GRC. Okay, I'm a fresher. I spend my 2 months on SOC, and I'm not getting any job opportunities. And I'm planning to change my career. Can you share your thoughts? What is the best career according to you? And I'm sure the pointers which I'm talking about here, you also been through same. And if yes, please type in the comment box. And for that people only, I bring this video. See, when you're talking about cybersecurity, okay, which part of cybersecurity has a great opportunity? Okay, it's a myth. Every options, every scope in cybersecurity has their own scope. Now, when you're talking about the overall cybersecurity, we have multiple verticals. Cybersecurity is a part of information security. And when you're talking about information security, the first part we have a penetration testing or security testing where we test the products. Let's say example, this is the product we have. And now what happens is in this product, I want to see how secure is this product. Understood? I want to understand how secure is this particular product. So I will basically try to test this product. I'll try to check the vulnerability. So we hire people for that. That's called penetration tester. And today we call them as a red teamer and all that. And if I take the same device, I want to secure them. Okay, we hire network security experts who basically, because this is part of our network, and I want to secure this asset from external attack. So we have a network security people. If tomorrow any attack happen in the organization, we have a people who investigate the attack and make sure this should not be happen again. We have a SOC analyst for that, security operations center analyst people who investigate the incident and patch that issues and make sure this should not be happen again. We also have a forensic investigators who basically investigate crimes and try to understand what has happened, why this happened, and send, sometimes some cases are basically going in the court and all that. So we need to submit the entire case and all that. So forensic investigators are the people who has been hired to investigate why this happened. Then we have application security people who basically securing the applications. We have a secure coding option where you write a code in a secure manner, and these people basically ensure you have wrote a code in a secure manner. There's no errors which can lead to the application to be hacked. Nowadays we have a new profile which is called DevSecOps. So if you ask me, okay, and then we have people who basically creating a security as a process in the company which is called compliance specialist, who create a policies, who do the risk assessment before taking a new project. We call it as a GRC people, security GRC people. So we have multiple verticals. Okay, one is testing, one is implementations and all that. Now, one of the first thing, before opt for any of this field, okay, first you need to understand your why, why you want to do that. Because see, normally what happen is, when you're in a 10th standard, okay, so you have three options once you clear your 10th standard, especially those who are from India. Do I do commerce? Okay, do I do science, and shall I go for arts? And I'm sure 60% of the kids feel really bad that okay, after 12th I should took that commerce as a stream or arts as a stream, or I should take a science as a stream. Under the pressure of parent, I selected wrong stream. So you're doing the same mistake again now. Once you complete your graduations and all that, where you basically taking an advice from the experts, so-called me or others, that which vertical is basically good for me. My humble request is even you want to go for forensic investigation, you want to go for GRC, you want to go for network security, pen testing, you need to be very clear with your why. Why you want to go for pen test, why you want to go for SOC, why you want to go for forensics, why you want to go for GRC. So your why should be clear. See, you ask me, I suggest you go for GRC because I am from GRC. Definitely I will prefer tell you GRC. Same, you will ask the SOC guy, okay, what is according to you the best in the cybersecurity? He will definitely say that, okay, SOC is basically the great option for us. Okay, because he worked on the SOC right now. So what happened is, because you depend on other, you got influence, and then what happened is, we basically took the advice. We took the call. That is what has happened. This is the biggest mistake you guys are doing. Because I used to receive a lot of DM, Prab, according to you, how good is a forensic investigation? According to you, how good is your network security? I want to change the career. So never ever go through someone else's advice, because you're going to decide your career based on that. You're going to spend next 10-15 years on that. So my suggestion is that the first step before you enter into cybersecurity, I can assure you one thing, in all the field you have a great value. Only thing is that you need to do the mastery. Only thing you have to do is mastery. That's the most important part. So every vertical has a great career. Like if you ask me, I did CISSP in 2013. That time there's a very few people who were doing CISSP, and I was completely unemployed for 1 year. But later on, I was not leaving that particular vertical, CISSP, compliance and all that. And in that 1 year, I made that particular thing so good that later on people know me for the CISSP trainer or CISA trainer, CSAM trainer. So if you make an expertise in a one particular vertical, you can mint great money. That's the most important part. So your why should be clear. So how to clear your why? Because you are new to cybersecurity. See, some people basically have some kid's thought process. Some come with a baby thought process. Okay, since child, I'm good with maths. Since kid, I'm basically good with problem solving. Okay, so you're good with problem solving, you love technical, then pen testing, SOC is a good option. No problem. I'm very good with the documentation. I have some OCD. If I don't maintain the documentation, I'm good with process. So okay, then go for compliance. Now this visibility. So first homework is understand the different verticals in cybersecurity, information security. Check the JDs. Okay, as a pen tester, what we do? As a red teamer, what we do? As a SOC analyst, what we do? As a GRC expert, what we do? So all those things you have to check thoroughly. That is the first step. And that give you visibility. Why should I do this particular program, or why should I go to this particular vertical? So why you get cleared when you do your homework. Because see, you should not trust someone, even me, okay, because you don't know my life. Same like you cannot trust your people who are referring you, because they've been through their experience, okay, and you have to give your 10-15 years in that vertical. It is not a 2-year program. It is not a college graduation. You have to decide a career based on that. And in the security, one important thing is that your experience matter. You cannot change after 5 years. Understood? Like some people in a confident manner, they take science, and after 2 months they realize, I'm not good in science, I have to move to commerce. So you wasted your 2 months. You're getting my point. So your why should be clear. Now I'm assuming your why is clear. Second step is basically what is required to make expertise in that vertical. See, if you're still not clear with the why, or you clear with the why, my first suggestion is basically do CompTIA Security Plus training. Okay, I am not here to promote any vendor training. Okay, the reason is that one of the shortcut way to get the high level view of information security is by training only, or these trainings are available free also. I'm not saying you have to pay for that. Okay, even I work for the InfoSec train, I can say that okay, you can do the training. So because this channel is purely not promoting any product, even it's my own company. So Udemy is there, YouTube is there, Professor Messer videos are there. They have a lot of videos on CompTIA Security Plus. Now what is the benefit of attending or doing a CompTIA? I'm not saying you should go for certification. I'm not saying. You should go for a training. The benefit is that there is already a structured course structure course in the market which giving you the holistic view of all the vertical cybersecurity. Otherwise, you have to manually put your efforts. You getting a point? So Security Plus, Commercial Security Plus cover your basics of cybersecurity if you're new to that. Then infrastructure security, network security, compliance, pen testing, SOC, everything. So you basically get a high level view from all these vertical. Now I'm assuming you did your Security Plus. Okay. Now once you're done with the Security Plus, you get an idea. Oh, okay. So we have this option. I like pen testing. Let me give my 2 months on pen testing. Or I like in this subject SOC. SOC look good, great for me. Let me do my time spent on SOC. No, compliance look great. So I will do compliance. So when you go through that, you automatically experience. See, no one in this world, I can say proudly, no one in this world followed someone's blindly and become an expert. Okay, someone told me 15 years back, do MCSA or CCN. I did that, and it was not a waste because I built the base there. Okay, but today I'm a cybersecurity expert. So we never follow someone blindly like that. We just take their advice because this guy is a network security guy, or I know this guy from last 15 years. So humble request is, by end of the day, it is your call only, okay, to take the field vertical. So I'm assuming after doing a Security Plus, you get the clarity, okay, I want to make a career in pen testing. I'm taking one reference here, okay, pen testing. Okay, now how to start pen testing? Now if you go for the multiple vendor program, see here, now you want to pen testing, okay. Why you did Security Plus? Because you are looking for a shortcut way to understand the cybersecurity of holistic cybersecurity. That's why there was a structured content was there which give you the perspective. Now same also in pen testing also. Now in pen testing, you need to find one vendor who offer end-to-end structured pen testing course. Otherwise you have to spend effort, you have to search what is come under pen testing and all that. So my request is, first check all the pen test JDs, job descriptions. See what they are looking in pen testing, what they are looking in the pen tester. Okay. Then I'm not recommending you directly do the investment in any training vendor course, because it will go up to 50 to 60,000 rupees or up to $1,000. I'm not telling you to invest like that. My humble request is that first do the basic investment. Like you do the investment in Udemy, where the course price start from $10, $20. I think that is a minimum investment you can do. Check YouTube videos. Make one mentor. It's very important to make one mentor in pen testing. And trust that mentor then. It's not something, okay, and after 3 months, I don't think so, this mentor is good, so I have to change the mentor. No. Don't do that. If you're finalizing one mentor, be with that mentor for your next 5 years. Because he will be your guru. Because what he learned in last 10-15 years, he going to serve in a YouTube content. Like people reach out to me on YouTube channel for my GRC content, network security. I do appreciate that because I'm putting my effort. Same like finalize one mentor who good only in pen testing. See, I do cover everything, but it doesn't mean I'm expert in one. So I'm expert in everyone. No, I do cover everything because I have a holistic view of all the information, because this is how I started my journey. I started my journey with MCSA, then CCNA, then I did Checkpoint, Cisco, and then I moved into pen testing, and then I did GRC. So my request is, if your why is clear now, after doing Security Plus, pen testing, you want to make a career. Then once you're done with the pen testing, you need to know, okay, how to make expertise in a pen testing. The second step is basically you attended any training program or did the custom training where you attend the pen testing functions. Now once you're done with that, now I'm assuming you want to try for a first job. First step in job is basically build a solid LinkedIn network. Second is basically start your YouTube channel. Third, create an account in GitHub, and there you basically prepare your projects. Okay, you did the pen testing of this infrastructure. Okay, so this is how I did. Share your write-up. Okay, contact the external consultant who good in preparing your CV, because CV is the only way present your profile. CV is the only way you can basically sell yourself. So your CV should be outsourced to third party who good with preparing your CV. Make sure your CV should not be more than 1 page, because HR don't have a time. Fourth, suppose you got an interview call from ABC company. Before you basically schedule your interview, you can basically check the JD, check the company history, check any pen tester in the company, reach out to him and see what kind of a job is that. Do your social engineering. On the interview day, be clear what you know, what you don't know. That's the most important part. And do appreciate all the questions what they ask by the HR. If you fail, no issues. Make a note of those questions and study hard. Use ChatGPT, Google Bard and other tools to prepare those questions again and again. Check the YouTube videos like pen test or interview questions or anything, or join the Reddit forum. Okay, and that is how you can basically get the first job. Now, this video is for also those people who always DM me regarding prep. I am CA. Cybersecurity is my interest. I'm confused. Shall I do network security, SOC and all that? Again, back to same. Even if I recommend you do the SOC, even if I recommend you do the network security, by end of the day, it is you who want to implement that. So before reaching out to any mentor, first explore all the field. Check what is available in that. And then you basically schedule the call with the mentor. This is my suggestion. Okay. If I tell you about my background, I cleared 10th with a 35%, 40%. In 12th, I have a B, this called arts. There's no connect of maths in my vertical. Then I did my graduation with Open University in BA Pass. So there's no maths there. But it doesn't mean I'm a pro pen tester, because for pen testing, you need to know programming. So I know my limitation. That is why I don't make my career in pen testing. I know my limitation. That's why I haven't made any career in the SOC. But I make a career in GRC. And today I'm basically working for 2 projects where I'm handling a CISO activities and everything. So this is what, if you came from a non-maths background and you fascinated through the videos of pen testing and all that, I want to learn this, you need to remember one thing when you goes into the pen testing. You need to know programming, because sometimes you need to prepare exploits and all that. If you go into the SOC, you need to have a lot of dependency on tools and all that. So every vertical has an advantage also and disadvantage also. You have to see how this particular vertical giving me advantage, because in all the 4 or 5 verticals, whatever we have, I can give you assurance you get a same salary. Salary, money is not a big issue. The issue will be here, your capability, your skill. If you don't like maths, if you don't like programming, then you can't survive in pen testing. Don't go by YouTube videos and say, okay, Kali pen testing tool is there or automation tool is there, I will run that tool and do the pen testing. In that case, your growth have a limitation. You can't grow more than that, because unless you don't go in building your own tool. Same with SOC also. Running a Wireshark is not about SOC. Investigating a packet, investigating a binary. For that, what you need to know? You need to know some programming language. Sometimes you need to run some Perl Python script to investigate the SOC, Wireshark's logs and all that. But GRC is basically where, we don't need to know programming. You're getting a point? So it's very important. I know my limitation. That's why I decided in the later stage, but I spend my time in all the vertical. It is okay, because Security Plus is something which very important in all the verticals. Security Plus is very common. Okay, Security Plus is very common. So you have to see after doing Security Plus how much I want to rate myself on pen testing, compliance, SOC, okay, then network security, infra security, and then create a 2-year roadmap. First, I will review the JD, then I will do one course program, self-learning. It's very important, start your journey with self-learning. The reason why, it gives you motivation of learn. But if you directly start attending any commercial paid training, you have a lot of dependency there. So first create a hunger. When you have a limited resource, you are super motivated. Okay, you are more hungry for the right source of information. So it's very important in the initial stage, do the self-learning. Try to learn what is that. Because if you go with a blank mind, okay, you will not be able to understand anything from the trainer and you will lose your money. Do some homeworks, do attend some good programs from Udemy, YouTube and all that. And then you understood, okay, this is what my limitation. I got an idea about ABCD. Now I want to learn how to format the sentence from this ABCD. Then I'm going to pay the huge money and all that on the training vendors. Because now you are clear with your concepts. So this is all from my side. Do let me know how do you find this particular video. And if you find this video useful, do share your network. And I'm planning to make a continuation series of the video on cybersecurity, and drop your shares, your views on the comment box, which motivate me to make more videos on that. Your friend Prab Nair. Thanks for joining this particular session. Good day. Bye.